Good afternoon. My name is Edgar Raúl Gómez Beltrán. I am a student psychology. Tokyo Travel Guide, the guide for travel. Itinerary. 1. Introduction of Tokyo. 2. Tour of Shibuya and Harajuku. 3. Visit Mei-Chan. 4. Tour of Senso-ji Temple. 5. Tour of Shinjuku. 6. Shopping in Ginza. 7. Tour of Ea. 11. Tour of Asakusa. 9. Visit Tokyo City 3. 10. Dinner at Tokyo 12. 11. Sumida River Cruise. 12. Free time. Tokyo facts. You must know that Tokyo is the most populous metropolitan area in the world. Time of year to travel. December, February, January. This is the cheapest time to visit Tokyo. Accommodation. Booking.com. Couch furnishing. Airline. Transport to go around Tokyo. In my opinion, is the metro lines and trains. Tokyo destination. Tokyo food. What do you eat? Ramen, sushi, tempura, want? What do you eat to kanshu, soba, takoyaki, sushi? Money and customary. And note fact to keep in midst in the that in Japan, it's now customary to lay tips and in the cave considered right. Thank you. Thank